In the heart of the Cold War era, a new force emerged on the global stage, a force that sought neither to align with the West nor the East. This was the non-aligned movement, a collective of nations determined to maintain their independence and sovereignty amidst the tense political climate of the mid-20th century. Born in 1961, at the height of the Cold War, the non-aligned movement, NAM, represented a diverse group of countries, primarily from Africa, Asia, and Latin America. Led by the charismatic leaders of Egypt, India, and Yugoslavia, these nations rejected the ideological divisions imposed by the United States and the Soviet Union. The context was set by the Cold War, a global standoff between the two superpowers, each vying for influence and dominance. The NAM nations, however, sought a third path, one that would allow them to maintain their cultural and political identity without falling prey to the ideological pressures of the West and the East. The crisis came in 1962, with the Cuban Missile Crisis. The world teetered on the brink of nuclear war as the United States and the Soviet Union engaged in a tense standoff over Soviet missile bases in Cuba. The NAM nations, though not directly involved, found themselves caught in the crossfire. The non-aligned movement, in response, issued a declaration, calling for peace and disarmament. They urged the superpowers to resolve their differences peacefully, and in doing so, they demonstrated the power of a collective voice in the midst of global conflict. The action taken by the NAM was significant. They refused to take sides, instead advocating for peaceful resolution and international cooperation. Their stance was a powerful reminder that not all nations were willing to be pawns in the Cold War game. The consequence of the NAM's actions was far-reaching. They became a symbol of hope for nations yearning for independence and self-determination. The movement's principles of peace, disarmament, and non-alignment would inspire future movements and shape the course of global politics for decades to come. In the end, the Cold War would end not with a bang, but a whimper. The fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989 marked the beginning of a new era, one where the non-aligned movement's principles of peaceful coexistence and independence would continue to resonate. The NAM, though formed in the crucible of the Cold War, would continue to stand as a beacon of hope for nations seeking a path to peace and independence.